Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to open links in private tabs in the Firefox app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Firefox app. On the bottom right corner you will see these three dots. Tap on it. It will open the menu bar. You have to select the settings, tap on the settings, and if you scroll down to the privacy and security, here we'll have the private browsing. If you tap on it, here you will have this option in the middle, open links in a private tab. If you tap on that, then your phone will open the links in the private tab instantly. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.